murf.ai review usage experience. Welcome to this murf.ai review, where I'll dive into my experience with this AI-powered text-to-speech tool. Links to the product can be found in the description below for those interested in exploring further. murf.ai is a cutting-edge platform designed for content creators, educators, marketers, and businesses seeking high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. It stands out in the text-to-speech market due to its ability to produce lifelike voiceovers that closely mimic human speech. The platform offers a wide variety of voice options, including male, female, and even child voices, available in multiple languages and accents, making it suitable for global audiences. A highlight of murf.ai is its customization options. You can adjust pitch, speed, tone, and emphasis to create voiceovers that perfectly fit your specific needs. Whether you're working on a promotional video, an e-learning course, or a podcast, murf.ai's advanced controls ensure you get the desired level of professionalism and polish. Additionally, the platform features a powerful voice cloning tool, which allows you to replicate voices for branding consistency. The built-in text editor is another standout feature, enabling seamless text-to-voice conversion. This tool simplifies the process, letting you input and edit your scripts directly within the platform. The ability to synchronize audio with visuals, such as slide presentations, further enhances its utility for video creators. murf.ai is also highly accessible, offering cloud-based functionality. This ensures that users can work on their projects from any device without needing to download heavy software. Its pricing plans are flexible, catering to individuals, small teams, and large enterprises. The free trial is particularly generous, allowing users to test its capabilities before committing to a subscription. Overall, murf.ai is an excellent solution for anyone looking for high-quality voiceovers. Its versatility, ease of use, and professional-grade output make it a top contender in the TTS market. If you're ready to elevate your content with professional voiceovers, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review has been helpful.